Hello and welcome to Create More Art. I'm Cynthia, and in today's video we're going to explore with the color green. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Today we're going to do some tiles. So this is going to be something little, kind of a trial to find out what colors I'm going to like. And we just have a tile that I'm going to, you can see how it was dirty on the back because I created with some art on it. Didn't like it. After it dried, it cracked and uh, had some mistakes, and I was like, didn't care for it as much. So I decided to put it in the water bucket, and the paint comes off. So the only thing I have to do when I'm done with this, if I like it, then I'm just going to paint the back and then put some corking on the back. So this is my PPG pillow paint. Let's do a little spin. Stretch this out a little bit. Bring the weight of the paint back to the middle. Okay. So today's color is going to be kind of a green palette. I have Folk Art Green Flash. And all my paints are mixed with Valspar Deep Base and Minwax Acrylic 3-to-1. This is deep green by Artist Loft. And when I mix the paints, I do 1 part paint to about 3 parts cornmeal. This color is a Deco Art Blue Sapphire. And a lot of times I will create my own color. Sometimes I may want a little darker, sometimes I may want a little shinier. So I add different things to it. So you can get like a basic color, the primary colors, play with them and mix them and just be part of the fun of just trying new things. That was why I got into actual painting, was to try something new. So about a year ago, I decided to take better care of my health, and I was a avid cooker, and so this is neon green, and so I decided to lose 65 pounds so far, which has been awesome. But what happened was, food used to be my creative outlet for, I never really followed a recipe. I would kind of know what the recipe would taste like in my head. And then by the time I was cooking it, I would have tweaked it and customized it to my family style of eating. So it, I lost that enjoyment of cooking because when you lose weight, I don't have much of an appetite anymore. So it's not as interesting to cook for 2 hours and then only eat for 5 minutes. So that's when I got into painting because I wanted to create something that wasn't food based, that would be a healthier option for me. And it's a little therapeutic for all the stuff I had to go through this year. And that was a emerald green by folk art. So my cell activator today is a white. And I'm also going to use a blue cell activator. This is Payne's Gray. Okay, so let's get her a little straight and let's start blowing. Okay, so while the cells are trying to come back, do the thing in the middle, I'm going to push out the pillow paint so it's easier to spin out. Especially when you have an odd shaped coaster. And this coaster size is, I believe, a 5 inch. A little bit more pillow on this edge. So what interests you guys into painting? Was it just a love of art, or was it just trying to do something new like me? Leave a comment and we'll have a little chat about it. All right. I'm going to check my center, see how that's moving. I'm gonna do a little blowing, see what can pop up. All right, while that's trying to come back, I'm just gonna hit a little bit and make something interesting with it. Trying to decide if I want to do anything else to it. But let's see. Let's give her a little spin. Let's move some of that thing around. And again. One thing about odd shaped tiles, you definitely have to make sure you get the corners. And with this one, there's a lot of corners. Well, I definitely like this side. Well, maybe the next one I'll change the color layout a little bit to see how that's going to change it up. Because this is all just testing the colors out, trying to figure out what I like, what the client may like. So she wanted green, and she liked blue. So I'm just testing these out. Let's see. Just a little bit at the tip, which is good. Now let's work on how does it look. Does it look balanced? Not really, but it's part of the fun. So when I pull the paint out, I pull up and then push back a little bit. Pull out and back. Because I had some in the past where I just went straight across, just went and it made the pattern on the sides look a little wonky. So that's why I'm doing it this way now. I would like for the tile to look like that all the way around. So that's what I'm going to try to go for next. All right, one more spin. I hope you enjoyed the creation I made. Now you go out and you try to create and test out these colors yourself. Please subscribe and like, and as always, create more art.